Welcome to DJ TV.
E don set again o, Asari Dokubo don come outside again o, don begin give Rufai of Arise wotowoto.
Correct people, we greet una, welcome una to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime wey we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
Asari Dokubo don fall out again o. The better gbas wey e just release like this no be small. So Rufai of Arise TV o, my people, no be small thing o. This videos wey just dey release like this, e dey title am series. E mean say e get plenty people wey be say e wan give gbas like this for all these videos wey dey call series o. This time around o, na Rufai na im hold for waist o. He talk say dem don turn Arise TV news to where dem for dey use dey fight babati o. Say when dem announce that time say Tinubu no win for Lagos, say Rufai personally come dey dance buga for video wey e post, dey dance buga. Say wetin give am that right, wetin dey give Rufai all those rights to dey do all those kind thing if e claim say na journalist e be, or na so journalist say dey work. My people, no be small thing the way Asari Dokubo don lash like this give Rufai. Una need to see this video, though e no too long sha. I go play am for una now, make una watch am and hear all wetin e talk for inside. My people, make una watch.
There is this, see, a lot of people take what do they call, Arise, that has declared itself an enemy of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, a station that has declared itself an enemy of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Let me tell you a story. When I was released from detention on July 16, 2007, I went to see my friend who is now the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. So he asked me to follow him to visit some friends. And when we went to an apartment somewhere in Lagos, I think it's VI, the former Vice President Atiku was there. The owner of Arise, Indukok Baigbena, was there. He was not yet appointed secretary to the government, I think. Ambassador Kingibe was there. And I greeted them, they welcomed me, and we saw the friendship. That was the first time I was myself and the president now went to see Atiku. The second time was after the release of Alamesia from prison. So I went to see Alamesia in his house in Lagos, and I went there with Ahmed Bola Tinubu, president now, to see Alamesia. And later on, that same day, I think I saw Atiku on 2 occasions. After that, I had seen Atiku on several occasions. I have nothing against Atiku. And that's why I have not said anything against Atiku. I have nothing against Atiku. In all the period I met with him, he received me. I have met with his children. 2 of his children, I think Amina and her husband and one of the males. Now, Arise TV whatever Biling Benam may have with Tinubu, are taking it upon itself. The day they said Tinubu lost Lagos, a journalist, Rufai, was dancing, Bugao, his Buga just ended. But let me come. What gives a journalist that sort of audacity? Give a journalist that sort of audacity, arrogance, to feel that he is more citizen than all other people. Now, I want to ask, is there a constitution in Nigeria? Is there a constitution in Nigeria? And what does the constitution give to citizens in Nigeria? Does it compartmentalize citizens to journalists, to this, to that, and make them more important than any other citizen? A television broadcaster had built a larger than life image of himself. A larger than life image of himself. And he's always boisterous, boasting, arrogant. And he's calling other people arrogant. Let me tell you, you will call people names. What other work do you do than television broadcasting? How much are you being paid? First, let us start. How much are you being paid as a television broadcaster? I wouldn't even call you a journalist because you never read journalism. The English you are speaking, I am also speaking it. I can be a broadcaster like you. I can be a broadcaster like you. Nothing other than that you are picked an enemy. That's what is making you popular. You are picked an enemy. And those who hate to see those who are better than them have all congregated around you. And you now think that you now think and assume that you are now a colossus. What other value do you add to society? That you, Rufai, can go to the villa, a citizen, but I, Dr. Asari, cannot go to the villa, a citizen. And people listening to you, gosh, nothing, they don't have anything. The constitution is the grand norm of society. And the constitution guarantees equality of right to all citizens, including the president and the smallest person anywhere. First, you gave me a name, militant. Did you see anything in my name that looks like a militant? I am Mujahid Abubakar Dokubo Asari. So you can attach a name to me and feel that I should accept that name. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh. How much is Ogbaibena paying you? How much is Ogbaibena paying you at Arise? Arise was not noticed. Nobody knew Arise until you started espousing anti-state propaganda. Anti-state propaganda. So those, the IPOBs, you caught the enemies of Nigeria. They start to hail you. That was what, because how many people were watching Arise? So since you are a state enemy, since you are chosen to be a state enemy and aligned with those who are state enemies, you have suddenly become popular. And you are now seeing yourself as a colossus, big. You are nothing. A colossus with a feet of clay. A colossus with a feet of clay. You people survive through handout. Just handout. Brown envelope. Becky, Bambiala. That's what you are. We all know this thing. How much are you being paid? See, let me tell you, everywhere I go to.
Hey my people, not be small thing o. Asari Dokubo na just come out, you dey lash Rufai like this o. Shoo, hey. Anyway, una hear wetin talk o. How una see this matter na reason now? Make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in the next video. DJ